Okay, guys, so recording started. Next, we are going to learn about properties of angles formed by two parallel lines and a transversal. So, what are the properties? We have seen that there are three types of angles formed by two parallel lines and a transversal, or the lines and the transversal. Okay, now here we are going to learn about parallel lines and a transversal. So we have already seen that there are four types of angles are formed here, right? Eight types. No, 8 angles. Okay. So let's come. Sure. So let's see the property and what are the angles here. So first property or the first type of angles are the corresponding angles, and corresponding angles are congruent. Okay, corresponding angles are congruent. I'll tell you here. So first you have the property of corresponding angles. Need Lakshya screen. I'll tell you in very simple language manner. So each pair of corresponding angles formed by two parallel lines and the transversal is of congruent angle. You can see here with one number AMP. This one AMP. Here the corresponding angles AMP and MNR. Getting? So this is one pair. Second pair is AMQ. This is your second pair. AMQ and MNS. These are the second pair, second pair. Correct? Then you have two more pairs. Third pair will change the color. This one. This is the third pair. PMN, PM and P and B. Sorry. Put the PMN and R and B. Sorry. So this is your R and B. Third pair marriage wala. And the fourth pair here is this one. QMN. QMN high cut angle. This is the fourth pair. QMN, S and B. And B. Correct? So these are the four pairs of congruent angles, and they are called as corresponding angles, where this PQ line and line RS, they are parallel. Second, you have the properties of alternate angles. So there are four pairs of alternate angles, two interior alternate angles and two pairs of exterior alternate angles. They are also congruent angles. So these are the pairs PMN, MNS, QMN, MNR. Then exterior AMP, SNB, AMQ, RNB. I'll tell you here. Show you here actually. So first pair, second pair, third pair, fourth pair. So this is your first pair, PMN, MNS. Second pair here, QM and MNR. Angle, this angle. Okay. Third, second and fourth, that is your exterior alternate angles. These are the interior alternate angles. So you have PMA. This is third pair, PMA and BNS. Okay. Then the fourth one you have here green with AMQ and BNR. Getting? So here also you get four pairs, two interior alternate angles and two exterior alternate angles. Then the third property of interior angles. Now here, interior angles are not congruent, but they are supplementary. Interior angles are supplementary. That means their the sum of their measure is 180. So they are in the interior. So they are within this two parallel lines. So first pair is QMN plus MNS. So the addition of these two angles is 180. Second pair here, PMN MNR. MNR. See, interior angles are never congruent, but they are supplementary. That means they are measure. Okay, the sum of their measure is 180. You can see here, they are supplementary angles. PMN plus MNR is equal to 180, and QMN plus MNS is equal to 180. Similarly, they have shown here. Okay, so this is your third property. That is property of interior angles. Further, I think first the corresponding and alternate angles are congruent, but interior angles are not congruent. They are supplementary. त्यांची बेरीज 180 असते. So you got what do you know? When two parallel lines are intersected, by a transversal, the angles formed in each pair. So first pair, corresponding angles are congruent. Second, alternate angles are congruent. But third one, the inter angles are not congruent. They are supplementary. They are what? They are supplementary. So here you have practice set 2.2, question number 1. In the adjoining figure, line M is parallel to line N. This M and N, they are parallel lines. What is asked? And P is the transversal. So what is asked? We have to find the value of X. You can see the 3X and X, they are the interior angle. So we have to add them. Add करायचं. So if you add them, here I'll write the answer. 3x plus x is equal to 180. 180. That means 4x is equal to 180. Therefore, x is equal to 180 divided by 4. That is 45. So, the answer option number C. Option number C is your answer. Question number 1 selection. X is small x by yeah. So for that purpose, we have utilized the property X, the property of interior angles. They are supplementary. They are supplementary. More सोडून दाखवायचं नसतं. You have to only tick mark the option, but still तुम्हाला कळलं पाहिजे answer अलग असतं. Okay, so you can write here interior angles are supplementary. Interior angles are supplementary. Hey, तुम्हाला फक्त माहिती आहे. It's not you are not supposed to write this in the examination. The next question, what is asked? In the adjoining figure, if A and B are parallel, these two lines are parallel, and L is the transversal. Therefore, we need to find the value of X. Here, same property operation. See, this is 2x, therefore this angle is also 2x. This is also 2x. This is also 2x. And 2x and 4x are supplementary interior angles. So similarly, follow the result. 4x plus 4x is equal to 180. That means 6x is equal to 180. That means x is equal to 180 divided by 6 is equal to 30. 30, 30. Getting? So answer already 30, 30 is your answer. I have option number. Next question. Question number 2. In the adjoining figure, line P and Q are parallel lines. P and S are the transversals. There are two transversals given. We need to find the value of x and y. Now, if you see here, sorry, this is 40. Therefore, this angle here, we have one more corresponding angle that is also 40. Okay. 40. So x plus 40 is 180. X plus 40 is 180. Getting? Y. Y कैसा करना? Y is also in the same way. This is also 70. और इथे तुम्हारे angle में ना रहा. Exactly. This is also 70. Corresponding angle. Right? So how will you write answer? What is going to do? Yes. So here x plus 40 is equal to 180. What is the reason? कारण क्या है? Angles in linear pair. Angles of linear pair. Triangles in linear pair. So find out kara. That is x. X is equal to what? It is 180. 180 minus 40 is equal to 140. So x की value तो 140 है, right? Similarly, तुम्हारा y का ऐसा है, y plus 70 is equal to 180. Reason is that angles in linear pair. Angles, sorry, spelling stupid. Angles in linear pair, right? Therefore, y per का y is also equal to 180 minus 70. Sorry, the spelling mistake. 18. एक मिनट वन. It's 180 minus 70. कितने हो गए? 110. Right, so y is equal to 110 and x कितने होगा? 140. उत्तर का बराबर 70 बराबर. Okay, good. So the last question म्हणजे third question. Fourth and fifth we won't be taking, right? I hope so. There are two lines. Actually, बघा कसं आहे तुम्हाला L and M parallel as well as P and Q parallel. Then we need to find out ABC. मला ABC find out करायचा आहे. I'll tell you how to do it. प्रयत्न करा सांगतो बघा. Now A and B, sorry, A and AT interior angles are they are supplementary, right? Then AT this is one AT another, that is also your, you can say it is your corresponding angle. And C पण 80 असणार because C and 80 are opposite angles. Then term B is also 80. Why? Because C and B are complementary angles. समझते हैं? Complementary ना? Yes, बराबर. So let's see how to write. So first we'll take A plus 80 is equal to 180. Why? Interior angles. Interior angles. Therefore, A is equal to 180 minus 80 is equal to 180. एक मिनट कहाँ जाना? एक मिनट हाँ 180 minus 80 is equal to किती आले 100 100 A आला 100 then C is equal to 80 C direct लिहू शकतो C is equal to 80 because opposite angles are there. Opposite angles are always congruent and B is equal to C. Why? Corresponding angles. Therefore, B is what? B is also 80. We degree will be up. I don't have space here. 0 alaga. 80. Okay. So degree will be that will be better.